Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Raimi bin Zulkifli and my matric number is 20241872 and 33 and I'm from class 3A. Today I would like to present about the one plantation crop disease which is basal stem rot and the control method. So let's get started. What is the basal stem rot, which is the BSR? A devastating fungal disease in oil palm caused by Ganoderma bonensis, leading to significant economic losses in the oil palm industry. The global impact found in Southeast Asia, especially Malaysia and Indonesia, and significantly loss and economic challenge in oil palm production. Okay, next let's learn the symptom of BSR. The firstly is early symptom, which is yellowing, mottling and necrosis of leaves, especially the lower fronds. And the next one is unopened spear leaf, reduced fruit size, root and stem damage, root cortex become variable with fungal growth, stem discoloration, gummosis and internal dry rot. And the last one is advanced symptom, which is stem fractures at the base, leading to palm collapse, fruiting bodies, basidiomata of Ganoderma appear in several cases. We go to the progression, which is the disease progression. The firstly is infection. Fungal mycelium invade roots and split upward. In decay stage, destruction of vascular tissue disrupt water and nutrient flow. And the visible symptom is by the time foliar symptoms appear, the internal damage is extensive, and the outcome is palm die within 6 until 12 months of symptom onset. And now we have know the disease, which is the symptom, the pathogen and others, and now we move to the control method, which is how to manage it. The first one is cultural practices, which is field sanitation, drainage improvement. The second is soil mounding, support and stimulate root growth. And the next one is biological control, which is beneficial fungi like Trichoderma species. And the next one is chemical control, which is fungicide, trunk injection, example hexaconazole. And the last one is integrate management, which is combined method for better result. Okay, now we move to one by one, which is the first one is cultural practices, which is the first one is sanitation, which is remove and destroy infect palms and debris to prevent splits. And the second is improve condition, which is ensure proper drainage and reduce weed density. The second is soil mounding, which is the purpose is support weed and stem, stimulate root regeneration, and the effectiveness is widely used in older palms to prolong productive lifespan. Now we move to the biological control. What's what? Use Trichoderma species grow on organic matters to outcompete the pathogen. The second one is apply biofertilizer like Gano EF for preventive treatment. And we move to the benefit of using Trichoderma species and biofertilizer in oil palm. The first one is suppress the growth of Ganoderma bonensis, reducing basal stem rot, which is BSR. And the second one is enhance soil fertility, improving microbial diversity. And the third is promote root development and nutrient absorption. And the fourth is strengthen plant immunity against infection. And the last one is reduce reliance on chemical fungicide, lowering production costs. Now we move to the IDM, which is integrated disease management, which is the first one is sanitation, which is excavate infected stump and improve field hygiene. The second one is biological agent, which is combined with fungicide for synergistic effect. And the third is soil fumigation, which is use agent like Dazomet for severe infection. And the benefit is prolong palm productivity. And the second one is reduce replanting caused by mitigating infection spread. Now we move to the advanced in VSR management. For the firstly is we use the early detection technologies which is molecular tools and remote sensing for early identification. And the second is resistant variety, which is breeding program to develop resistant planting method. The last one is conclusion, which is BSR is a severe disease requiring protective management, integrated approach combining cultural, biological, and chemical method are most effective. And the last one, research and innovative like early detection tools are critical for long-term sustainability. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.